We're probably the last of a small town atmosphere when on Friday nights, when I tell you the town shuts down and they're at the stadium, we get to see that in Moultrie, Georgia. Last year, we were one of the only schools that still didn't have a video board. We've stepped that up, and ours is better than everybody else's now. We were able to add this feature. We already have flashing lights. We have probably one of the best high school sound systems. And with being able to add this, I think our fan experience has increased dramatically. I feel like our games are getting better every Friday night. Our tech guys, our students, they're working, they're creating digital ads, for our players, for our cheerleaders. They've been able to create slides to go up whenever our announcers announce our Packer Points of Pride. So that's been really cool. I think you get a closer image whenever you're watching a play. If you're sitting in the top row of the bleachers, it's just tough to see down on the field, but you can look at the scoreboard and it enhances it tremendously. Advertising is the biggest thing. Instead of just hanging a sign on the wall, now we can run a digital image during the game, and first down sponsors and fourth down sponsors. From the time that we got everything financially squared away, Formetco was here within, they guaranteed us 8 weeks they'd have the board in, and they did it. Anytime I called, he answered. Any questions we had, they were top notch to deal with. I just think the customer service that Formetco has is top of the line. So not only for football games, we're able to add this for everything that we host at our stadium. We'll be able to film during graduation. We'll be able to film for girls flag football whenever we host out here. If we host soccer matches, there's no limit on it.